Everyone, today I'm going to teach you an Illustrator tutorial on how to create a birthday invitation card. So first, if you want to create a document, you simply have to go to Create New and it will directly lead you to the page right here. So for a birthday card, I suggest you to actually settle it to a custom document. So I've settled the width to 5 centimeters, the height to 7 centimeters, the orientation to a portrait, the bleed to a 0.25 centimeters, and I went to the advanced option and selected a CMYK color. So now that we have created that, we are going to go to the tools panel on the left hand side of your page. So we're going to go to the rectangle tool. As you can see, there are many other forms that you can select, like circles, right, rounded rectangles, and every options like that. But now we are going to focus on the rectangle tool and we are going to drag it all over our page. Once this is done, you can see on the top of the page that you can actually put the stroke a bit bigger. So as I am not happy with the color of my stroke, I am going to the properties, which is on the right hand side of your document, and I am gonna select a dark pink for my document. I'm gonna as well fill the background with a really light pink like that, where I can choose on the swatch panels as well, where you can find it in the appearance. Once this is done, you can use the type tool to create a text box and write whatever you want in it. So now that we have created our text box, I'm gonna write Claudia's 16th birthday party. Now when this is done, I can actually center my text and change the fonts if I don't like it. So I'm gonna select the Arial black fonts and put the script a bit bigger. Now this is done, I'm going to go to the selection tool and reduce a bit the size of my box. Now I'm going to create another box just to add up a few more details. So we're going to add up the dress code, which is pink, and the time, which is 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. As I think this is a bit big, I'm going to reduce the size to 10. Great. And I'm going to change as well the font to make it a bit more original. I've decided to change the color of my text to, let's say, white color. As you can see, it is not really well on my document, so we are just gonna use a dark pink one, which is perfect. And same for the title, so it can be a bit more uniform. Once this is done, we are now going to upload a picture. So I'm just gonna go back quickly to my selection tool, drag it there, reduce the size of my text box again. To upload a picture, you simply have to go to File, Place, and you just have to look after your image in your document and place the image. Once I've dragged my image here, you can see that it's way too big. So I'm going to go to the width of 5 centimeters, and the height of 5 centimeters as well. Now we can go a bit back and I'm going to see that my image is here. My image is still way too big, so I can just simply drag it smaller like that on the side of the page and make it look a bit nicer. I'm gonna center it like that, drag more of the text here, make it a bit more pretty. And another little tips is the paintbrush tool. I'm gonna reduce the stroke to 0.5 and I'm just gonna do a little design like that. Like, this is just an example, but like you can do many things with a paintbrush tool. If you don't like what you do, you can just use the eraser tool and click where you don't like your things to be. Now we're going to go back to the selection tool and File, Save As, and you're going to save your document. So invitation card, and save it to your desktop, for example, and we're going to save it as a Adobe PDF. Save your document. Save PDF. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, guys, and have the best time creating lovely invitation cards.